Today we could finally go out to open sea to do some research. But what kind of research can be done in a vessel? First of all, we spend our day on lookout, keeping an eye out in the sea, in case we spot any animals, such as cetaceans or turtles. We are also constantly listening to a hydrophone, a device which collects sounds within the ocean. Sometimes we can hear noises such as clicks and whistles from cetaceans. For instance, with sperm whales, when they stop clicking, it probably means they are coming up to the surface to breathe. So when that happens, everyone is on a lookout again. With this secondary hydrophone, we record the sound below the water. Depending on the range of sound frequency, we can hear cetaceans or even vessels. And what is this weird thing moving through the water? This is called a mantatrowl because it simulates a manta ray, which are a filter-feeding species. With this, we can filter microplastics. You will probably know about the problematics with plastics, but how much is in our ocean, and how small can they be? Although you can probably see some marine litter here floating in the water, we also have microplastics, which are any type of plastics less than 5 mm in length. And you will be amazed with the amount we could find. Finally, drones can be used for various purposes. For example, this is Javi from the Spatial Marine Group of University of Valencia. He has all the permits to fly a drone for research purposes in the national park. Otherwise, it would be completely forbidden. With it, he can spot and therefore study species, fisheries or ecosystems. As we can see here, the distribution of Posidonia oceanica, which forms meadows. To sum up, there are many devices and ways to monitor the ocean in order to study marine biodiversity. Scientists are always striving to find new data and improving our knowledge of our seas to protect them better.